1978 Chevrolet Camaro here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 305 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC components all seem to be there. Compressor has the belt pulley all hooked up, but does not kick on and off, so may need to be charged, or a little TLC there. You can also see missing that lower grill insert. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, if you kind of try to look close when I'm doing that, when I'm seeing if I can show you, is a few of these spots, like right here, you can see where the paint, it is a little tired in this car. It does show its age some. Still has a nice shine to it, but it's not perfect. It's a car, get in, drive it, have some fun. Your local roll-ins, local cruise-ins, local shows. Check out all the still pictures. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Underneath, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. 507-386-1726 is where you can call in to consult with a sales associate. Riding on BF Goodrich radial TAs. Rally style wheels with the center cap and beauty ring. When you look at the underside, it looks like it's original pans underneath there and pinch welds. There's some scaling like you're going to have in a car of this age, very natural. But it looks like original pans and pinch welds and everything. So take your time looking down the underside of the car. And you can see the panels are straight on it from the rear to the front. But like I said, you know, there's a scuff or a chip or a little imperfection here and there in the paint. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. A couple spots where the paint's a little thin on the rear bumper. Priced accordingly, though. A lot of bang for the buck on this one. If you're looking for a Camaro of this generation. A lot of fun to be had with this car yet. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Seeing the Pioneer 6x9s in the rear. I would have to say error correct stereo too. How's that sound? Sounds good too. We'll check that out here on the interior of the car in just a bit. A little bit of corrosion right there coming through, but not too bad. This is the original color of the car too. 75 paint code for red. Interior is tan cloth, and that is the original color interior that would have been in this car. 62B. Take a look at the door panels. Seating surface. Looks like it's pretty good shape. Not full of rips, tears, holes. How about the headliner? Headliner has been tacked up, coming down some, which we see quite often. Tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. All right, there's a stereo system here.
Black velvet I could use right now.
Nice sounding stereo. Odometer reads 98,964. I cannot confirm or deny if that is original, just due to the fact it doesn't stay on the title. Once a vehicle is a certain age, it becomes marked exempt. The dash speakers, what are those? TSM4s, I do believe, from back in the day. Those would be Pioneer brand also. And the dash looks good. Not full of cracks. Again, AC car. Center console with the automatic shifter there. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Long, heavy door closes nicely. There it is. Again, 305 V8 underneath it. Paired up with that automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350. A little bit of service work done to this recently. New fuel tank and sending unit. Also some carb work just as far as cleaning and adjusting done. Maybe why it runs so smooth. And fuel gauge does work. Let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood open, check that out. We'll wrap up this video. Get a look at the underside of the hood. Here it is. And like I said, AC components all appear that they are there. Clutch just doesn't kick on and off. So again, may need to be recharged, still running R12. Smooth running engine. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty included in the purchase price. Also, at the end of this video, if you stick around, we'll do a little driving video with it so you can kind of get a virtual ride along, if you will. See what it's like going down the road in this car. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay, everywhere. 507-386-1726. Number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1978 Chevrolet Camaro. Very nice running vehicle. This is an automatic on the center console. Technic stereo.
Are in fact Chinese. So you could say statistically.
With an equalizer by AudioVox all hooked up and working well. Actually a really good sound out of this speaker system. Separate speakers sitting on the dash. Could be part of it. The odometer in the dash is reading 98,961. Fuel gauge is reading just about full. Transmission kicks down well. Power is as you would expect for a 78 Camaro. Windshield wipers work. Blower motor works. Speedometer is working as well. The rest are warning indicator lights. Nice factory looking cloth bucket seats. The headliner is coming down a little bit. It's got those little push pegs holding it up. The rest of the interior really looks pretty good. You let go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight. It doesn't pull either direction. I'm getting a nice smooth ride. No bumps or shimmies or shakes. Brakes also working well. You leave that stereo on, get a little bit of feedback through the speakers. Good running 1978 Camaro. Nice ride, smooth ride on the road. We get a cruise button here. Let's see if that works. Not getting cruise to work. However, very nice car. Otherwise, take a look at all the pictures of this Camaro. See underneath, see in the engine bay at UniqueClassicCars.com.